Hello everyone, welcome back to Best Out of Best. Here we help you choose smarter. The American Lawn Mower is a solid eco-friendly option, but it comes with a few challenges. Here's a quick look at common issues and how to fix them. This mower doesn't love grass that's too long, thick or wet. It either skips over it or gets tough to push. Try to mow regularly. Once a week works for most lawns. If the grass has gotten too tall, give it a trim with a powered mower first. Also, wait until the grass is dry. Mowing when it's wet just makes it harder. Over time, you might notice it doesn't cut as cleanly as before. Real mower blades do need sharpening, but not too often. Once or twice a season should do. You can buy a sharpening kit or take it to a pro. Keeping the blades clean after each mow also helps them last longer. If your yard isn't flat, this mower might feel like a workout. This mower works best on level lawns. If your yard's really bumpy or full of trees roots, it might not be the best fit. You can level small problem spots or just use this mower for the flatter areas. Clumps of grass might stick to the blades, especially if you mow when it's damp. Try mowing only when the lawn is dry. After you finish, brush off any stuck clippings. A little silicone spray on the blades can also keep things from sticking. At 14 inches wide, it takes more passes to move a larger yard. This mower is ideal for small yards. If you have got a big lawn, use it for smaller sections or as an edge trimmer. Or just take your time and enjoy the extra steps. You don't get much range in how short or tall you can cut the grass. You can adjust the blade height from 0.5 to 1.75 inches, but it takes a bit of effort using the axle bolts. If you want more variety, you might need to look at other models. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tips. Thank you. See you next time.